Getting used to new glasses is a familiarization process that is different for everyone. For some people, it may take a few days, and for other people, a few weeks. Some first-timers may only see the rim of their glasses, and people with higher prescriptions may get dizzy or have headaches. But don't stress. Your brain's visual center is adapting to clearer and higher quality vision. Here are a couple techniques to help you adjust to your eyes. Move your head up and down and look through different areas of your lenses and try focusing on objects at different distances. This will help your brain to understand and adapt. Look straight ahead and focus on objects far away. Look through bottom of lenses and focus on an object close to you. Turn your head and point your nose where you want to look. This will help bifocals, which are vertically aligned. If you are new to these types of lenses, it is important to wear them consistently and progress in daily activities while wearing them. It is very important to wear your glasses on a consistent and regular basis. Your eyes are muscles that need to be trained to see in a better way. People that have multiple prescriptions, such as varifocals, multifocals, or progressives, can take a little longer time to adjust.